Hello students, welcome to Nilachal Polytechnic. Myself Amrendra Mishra. I am continuing with the chapter number 1 of Industrial Engineering and Management. Here in this video, I am going to explain about the combination layout. In combination layout, we will found both the layouts, process layout and product layout. This is obtained by the combining effect of advantages of both the type of layouts. Most manufacturing sections are arranged in process layout, which manufacturing lines are occurring here and there, however the condition permits. As shown in the figure, we are having a combination layout for a gear manufacturing industry. A gear manufacturing industry is requiring 4 machineries like forging machine, gear cutting machine, heat treatment process and gear grinding machine. The raw material is steel. It is first collected from the storeroom, goes to the forging section where we are having the circular metal piece is required. The circular thick plate is going towards the gear cutting machine, where the milling machines are used for making the indexing method and by which we are getting the gear tooth on the periphery of the outer surface of pulley. After have the gear tooths formed on the circular plate, it is goes to heat treatment. In heat treatment, we are going to increase the strength of the gear and also the quality of gear will be increased while it is used for any practical application. Basically, we know that gears are used for power transmission system. So to increase the strength, we are going to make the heat treatment process. After that, the heat treatment process, the gear is provided to the gear grinding machine. The gear grinding machine where we are going to finish the tooths of the gear. The tooths of the gear are finished so that while you are going to use those machineries gears for the power transmission as well as while handling these gears, it will not create any type of accident. After that, the finished gear is obtained, the final product is obtained and it is followed by the finished product stored in the stock room. So we have seen that from this figure we have arranged all the machineries along the process layout. The vertical lines, vertical columns where the machineries are arranged sequentially is known as your process layout. Forging press, it is the process layout. Gear cutting machine, it is a gear cutting department. Heat treatment department, grinding machine department. All the machines are arranged according to the process layout, but the product layout implies the process collecting the raw material from storeroom to forging machine to gear cutting, then after heat treatment, then after gear grinding and finally final product. The horizontal line shows that is the production line or that is the product layout procedure for the machineries. In combination layout, we are getting the both effect of process layout and combination layout. Now goes for advantages and disadvantages of the combination layout. The production planning and control is easy. Workflow is continuous and smooth, as you have already seen that material can easily move from one machinery department to another machine center without any cross connection, any bottleneck or any congestion. Inspection is also easier. Very less space is required. Better utilization of machineries. Overall cost is less and material handling cost is also low. All the machineries are arranged according to sequential manner, and also if there is any machine breakdown takes place, then another machine can be well accomplished for the process of raw material, and the production system cannot be hampered. Hence we are calling that the workflow is continuous and smooth. Better utilization of machineries means we have think that the number of machineries in each machinery centers, hence we have better utilization of machineries. The delay of or the in process inventory is also less in case of our production combination layout. Disadvantage is that all the machine cannot be used as their maximum capacity, leading to poor facility utilization and higher capital cost. Trained workers are required for this layout. Routings and scheduling is difficult. It needs more frequent inspection. Means, first of all, the trained worker means we have to use some of the persons which have good sufficient knowledge about sufficient technical knowledge about the processing of raw material in each machineries. Routing and scheduling is difficult. Means the machining center moving from one machine to another machine department also requires some time. Also time requirement for each product also. It requires more frequent inspection because you have different machinery departments, different experts are required. So this will need large amount of capital investment cost for the production system. So thank you all of you.